some fresh saw lumber. Gonna use this lumber for our pig pen. We got our pigs last night. I'll show you them after dinner. Hey guys, Mac here. Today is Sunday. Again, not a lot going on today, but we did mill out some lumber for our pig pen. We did get our pigs. I just wanted to make a quick little vlog for you today, so you guys will have something for tomorrow. But we'll be back with the regular vlogs on Monday. So stay tuned for them, and I hope you enjoy this video. I do show you the pigs, but you'll have to wait until the end of the vlog. Enjoy this little montage. Good Sunday afternoon, everybody. How are you guys today? It is a beautiful day here in western New Brunswick. It just got done raining, so it's nice and cool. I'm outside here at the pig pen. As you know, in yesterday's vlog, we got our pigs last night. They came about 8:30. They're in this pen right here beside me, and they are just cute little buggers. Today, we've just been getting this bigger pen behind me ready to go for when they get a little bit older. It's going to be a tight squeeze, so bear with me. See you on the other side. I'm not exactly sure how well you can see them in there, but there's 7 in there. I'm not sure how old they are, but yeah, this is our little adventure here. We have some pigs now. We've got some turkeys, got a horse, got a regular old funny farm here.